Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a single hero product and a concrete buyer persona. This narrows every creative choice. Once chosen, write a 3-second hook that states the benefit or shows a surprising moment. This decides the thumbnail and first frame. Make sure to collect 1080p clips, clean product shots, your logo, and precise prices before editing. They speed production. Next, create a 15-30-second storyboard, shot list, voice line cues, and CTA placement, so you can shoot with purpose and avoid endless reshoots. Now you shoot and edit with tempo. Capture 3 shot types: a tight close for detail, a lifestyle scene showing use, and a product-only clean plate, each 15-30 seconds to allow options. In editing, place the hook in the first 0 to 3 seconds, show the demo across 6 to 12 seconds, and end with a 3 to 5 second clear CTA. Use fast cuts, persistent captions, 16:9 safe framing, and music at a low mix. This keeps attention and preserves voice clarity. Finish by exporting a /B cuts. Create 3 hook variants and 2 CTA endings, keeping the same thumbnail for fair comparison. Once exported, launch a 3-day paid test with equal budgets per variant and monitor CTR, conversion rate, and CPA closely. If a variant underperforms, act fast. Swap the hook, shorten runtime to 6 to 12 seconds, or replace the audio. One key troubleshooting tip: if view rates drop but clicks rise, check sound levels and captions, often mismatched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.